Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to delete iCloud storage on Android. If you are looking for iCloud storage on Android phones, so let me help you. First you have to open your Google Photos app, and here you have to tab on your profile in the top right corner and then select account storage. Just select it, and here you will get the setting of Google Cloud, because iCloud is not supported by Android versions. So here you can easily manage your Google storage or cloud storage. So here you can see large photos and videos, screenshots. So you just have to tap on one which you want to delete and then select the videos or photos or anything else which you want to delete, then select and then tab on move to bin. And after doing this, the all photos will be deleted and your cloud storage will be free. So that's how to delete cloud storage on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.